Do the chores. Tidy one's room. Clean the windows. Make the bed. Take out the rubbish. Do the shopping. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Do the laundry. Do the ironing. Hang out the clothes. Cook a meal. Set the table. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do the washing up. Clear the table. Look after a baby. Feed the dog. Walk the dog. Mow the lawn. Plant the trees. Water the plants.
From daisy@hello.com to lily@hello.com. Subject: Let's meet. Hi Lily. Sorry I can't meet you, but I'm really busy this morning. I usually help Mum and Dad with the chores on Saturday mornings. I always vacuum the carpets and make the beds. I sometimes help Dad clean the windows, but it's raining today. I'm doing the laundry and Mum's doing the ironing. I don't mind doing the chores because I sometimes get a nice chores gift for helping. Perhaps we can meet this evening. What do you say? Talk soon. Daisy.